Secrets learned from free classes at Gigaparts. 3D printing tip: always calibrate your printer's bed and nozzle height before starting a print. This ensures optimal adhesion to the print bed and prevents issues like warping or shifting during printing. Astronomy tip: start with low magnification when using a telescope. This provides a wider field of view, making it easier to locate celestial objects. Photography tip: use the rule of thirds for a better composition. Imagine a grid over your shot and position key elements along the lines or intersections for more visually appealing photos. Computers: regularly update your operating system and software to keep your computer secure. Patches often fix security vulnerabilities, keeping your system protected from threats. Metal detecting: sweep slowly and consistently while keeping the coil close to the ground. Overlapping each pass increases the chance of detecting smaller or deeper objects. Attend a Gigaparts free class and learn more about one of your tech passions. Find out more at gigaparts.com/events.